So today we will discuss about telepathology. Telepathology is nothing but the branch of pathology in which there is a practice of diagnostic pathology by a remote pathologist. It is a new branch and there is a diagnosis by the remote pathologist utilizing images of tissue specimens transmitted over a telecommunications network. It includes a telepathology system. Mainly in telepathology system, four components are there. So first is conventional light microscope. Okay, the microscope which we are using daily, but there should be a provision for the camera also. Second, there should be method of image capture, commonly a camera which can be mounted on light microscope. Then third is telecommunication, link between sending end and receiving end. Okay, then fourth, there should be workstation at the receiving end with the high quality monitor. Okay, so the monitor should be of high quality so that the image can be properly visualized and the diagnosis can be given. There are two types of telepathology. First is static, which is called as forward and forward passive telepathology. In this, the images are captured and stored and then transmitted over the internet. Okay, the disadvantage is having sender's bias in the selection of transmitted image. Then second is dynamic, which is called as robotic interactive telepathology. The images are transmitted in the real time from a remote pathologist, from a remote microscope, and robotic movement of a stage of a microscope is controlled remotely. So the desired images we get, but the disadvantage image quality and speed of internet. It is called as also virtual microscopy. Okay, the next term is virtual pathology slide. This is a newer term, virtual pathology slide. This is called as VPS. Okay, as the era of the digital pathology in 21st century has reached its zenith with the availability of technology for the preparation of virtual pathology slides by a high speed scanners and then storing the scan data in a large memory output computers. So VPS stored in the memory of the computer can then be examined and reported. Okay.